Today we are adding theme colors to the game, but before that, I want to talk about something. I tried uploading a video every day for 30 days, and at first it worked great, but then it started to feel forced. It started to exhaust me, and I even recorded one episode while I was sleep deprived. So I decided to step back a bit and rethink how I want to do this. But first, I'm thinking adding team colors to the game will make things much easier to separate from each other. So I want to do that first. And while we are working on that, I'm going to talk more about my life. So just give me a second. Okay, now team colors look amazing actually. I think I like this uh, color differences because it helps us to separate teams. But I wanted to keep the colors on the characters as they were so I can separate the classes by their colors. So now that's done with, I want to try more characters on the arena. But while I do that, I want to talk more about my life and what's been happening in the past month or so. So I'm actually working as a welder right now. So where I work is pretty long hours actually, and also I stayed for overtime factory, and then I'll still try to record videos every day. No weekends, no off times, anything like that. So it became pretty tiring and draining me physically. That's why that sleep deprived video happened too. I couldn't even think straight. Then I decided things can't go like that. So I'm going to try and upload 2 to 3 videos per week. And instead of them feeling forced, I'm going to try and make them add more meaningful um, improvements to the game as well. I think this is the best course of action for me right now. Um, right now, the fights happening are much more distinctive than what I had before, because you can tell who's who, but we can tell um, which one is the player or which one is the AI. I'm thinking of adding outlines next, and the game is shaping up to be more than a prototype right now. Right now, technically, this game has replayability, and I think it's a lot of fun, despite it having a rectangle for a shield, shapes for characters, and simple spear and a sword, just two weapons. But this was a proof of concept. So yeah, this is basically proof right now. Proof of that a game like this can work. I want to try myself as a player first, and I failed to get a weapon, so I stay out and wait till someone drops their weapon. And yes, now we have a sword. Let's see what happens when the player is playing. Yeah, player can change the outcome of the fights. That's what we want, but we will of course make try to make the AI smarter later on. Um, yeah. So this is the story of why I've been away for a while and why I'm making this video right now. Um, I'm thinking if I forgot to explain anything. Sorry about my silence there. But yeah, that's basically the gist of it. I'm going to finish this game, even publish it, because this is why this project started. And also, I just noticed something there. Um, the fights are random each time because of the AI states that they have. Last time, Green Square won 2-1, 2 versus 1. This time, yeah, red circle. Did you see that? The green triangle had a panic retreat, and green circle didn't hesitate and dominated on that. And let's see, green circle only had, no, that's not it. Yeah, 30 HP. Circle actor only had 30 HP. If triangle dominated on its speed, it might have killed the red circle. Yeah, I'm kind of proud of this. The AI states are working perfectly right now, deciding each fight's outcomes. Yeah, this time Green Triangle won. I just can't believe I made this in 1.5 months. This, yeah, this feels amazing, you guys. That's why I want to keep making this game. I want to make this game. I want to finish this game. And now we have team colors. Also, something I noticed. Um, Now that I added 6 more characters to this arena, the arena size seems a little bit small. So next, I'm going to be working on bigger arenas and or cameras. No more static camera. But that's it for today. Thank you guys. Take care.